Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is the Umidigi UwatchGT. Now this is another watch from Umidigi that I picked up. This one is actually a little bit more. It's 59 bucks. But this is a 47 millimeter watch in the display, and it's got a 1.3 inch display. It too has an IPS rating of 5 ATM. It can last, it's quoted to last about 10 days of battery life. Currently on the other Umidigi watch, I'm still on the same charge, and I'll disclose that information later, but the battery life has been standing true. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and start my unboxing of this one. This one has a little bit bigger battery at 260 milliamps, and it has a heart rate monitor and, just basically a different style of the same watch. So let's get it cracked open here. And let's see what this 47 millimeter watch is looking like. Whoa, definitely a little bit bigger. So it's looking pretty good. All right, let's get it open here. Same style of box they've got in here. Yeah, put together the same, and it probably uses the same charger. Yep, and this one looks like it has some carbon fiber, so I'll throw all this aside. And it's probably going to use the same type of application, so we'll just put this aside because this is the same brand, same company, and I know it's probably going to be the same application, so which is a good thing. That's not a bad thing. That's a good thing because it makes it easier on the consumer if you are like me and got two different styles of watch from the company. So this band is sporty. It's a sporty band. You can see here there's some instructions on here. It's probably telling me to charge too, but yeah, press the button here to power it on and off on the bottom, and then the top button is a multifunction button. Please charge the battery prior to activate, so you can activate the watch. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the same charger, and it should match up here. Oh no, it uses a different one. So it looks, this one has a 4-prong. So my mistake. Let's go ahead and keep rolling here and get out the charger. Apologies for that. This one uses a four magnets on the back. Looks like it's a little bit bigger, and I'll compare them. Oh yeah, this one's a little bit, well, no, it looks the same. Let's see here. Oh, I just had it on backwards. Let's see here. Yeah, it works the same. So let's just put all this away here. We'll go ahead and grab some power so we can get some juice going. Just fire it up, and we'll give a walkthrough. But first, that beautiful 1.3 inch display. So you've got back and lap down here. It's letting you know some little branding on there. And but remember, this is the power button. This is the multifunction button. On the bottom here, obviously, like I said, you got this carbon fiber look. You've got the heart rate monitor. You got the connector pins. This band feels a lot like, let me get it here. I have to do it. This watch feels a lot like my more expensive $350 watch, the TicWatch Pro 4G LTE. It feels a lot like this watch here. So we shall see how this works against the TicWatch. But again, this is a little bit more lightweight than the TicWatch. And then you've got that display up there. So let's power on here. Let's see if it'll let me power on without it. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and give a little juice here. Let's move the, yeah, it's at 80, it's at 84%. So that's good. The charger works with both. So let's see here. Let's take it off the charger for now. So here is the way it comes out of the box with the current watch face. Let's get all these cables and stuff out of here. All right. So this is the way it's going to come to you out of the box. You can see you got steps over here, and you got heart rate over here, looks like, or no, that's water, looks like, I think. And then you got the date and everything up there, and 84% down in the center. So if we swipe up, on this one, you have the, it's the opposite of the other watch. You've got your brightness and everything here. You can tap it. It goes to 3, just like the other one. And you got your settings here. Looks like that should be settings. Okay, there we go. So it says homepage settings. Press and hold the upper button to initiate. All right. It wants me to connect to the fitness app. Firmware information. All right, so let's go ahead and go back. All right, we'll get back into that in a second, but I want to show you the navigation here. So swipe down. Yeah, I think the other one is the same. You swipe down and you get the messages. Yeah, so swipe over this way and you got your activities. This one seems a lot more fluid. Something about this one just feels a little bit better when swiping. I don't know, could be just me. You swipe over and this way, okay, yeah, so the bottom one on the current one I'm using, you swipe up and you get your steps and information. So that's what it is. So let's go ahead and grab something and I'll connect the application here. And it comes up at the top of my list as I start to type. Let's get that installed. You've seen this application before. Nothing spectacular, but we're going to go ahead and pair this one to the Pixel 4. And let's open it. All right, let's get in here. Use now, agree, while using the app. All right, it found the GT already. That's pretty nice that it finds it so fast. And then confirm and bind, and it vibrates very, very strong vibration on these watches, man. Very strong. So you'll do this setup and everything over here. I'm just going to skip it on this one just to get into the app and see the app is identical to before. So that's just the application. But the app itself, let's get in here. I want to go to a settings. I want to go to the settings. It picked up the weather. I want to go to functionality, homepage setup. Person hold the upper left button to initiate. What the heck is this? Okay. Oh, this is like starting a workout or something, man. What the heck? Yeah, let's stop that. That totally wasn't what I was expecting. So let's long press here, and here are the watch faces that you get. That was kind of strange. Oh, this one's really nice, man. You got a nice sporty one right here. So let's choose this one right here. Yeah, I like that. Now let's try comfort. And again, the menu looks a little different on here, but it's pretty much the same style, but it feels a lot faster than the other watch. And the other watch I'm talking about is their watch right here from Umidigi. This one feels great, man. It's lightweight, no problems at all with it so far as comfort. But I think this is going to be interesting to go ahead and start up on here. Let's crank the brightness all the way up to 3. This is how bright it gets, and that's how dim it can go. But this part right here, homepage setup, is kind of confused. Okay, let me see if it's... Nope, don't want to do that. Homepage setup to initiate... I don't know what this is, man. Yeah, I'm going to have to dig some more into the... Oh, you just... Oh, my gosh. All right. Hey, I'm not even going to edit that out because... Why? Why would I do that? Flaws and all. You guys accept me, I hope. But this is the watch itself. It looks like this twist, but it really doesn't. Let's try the heart rate on here. Let's go ahead and start that. The heart rate on the other one, it kind of bumped between 73, and it never really grabbed hold. And honestly, I haven't even really tried it again. Yeah, that might be a thing with their watches. That's what it is. So here's the multifunction button that the thing talked about. This was kind of confusing. I mean, I'm not reading the manual, so I'm gonna be, just be fair there. I'm not reading the manual, but that multifunction button can be switched amongst different things. So when you get into things, and I'm totally just winging this, to be honest, you shouldn't have to spend too much time trying to figure out how to work with something like this, because it's not very difficult. By trial and error, within 10 minutes, you should be able to figure out how this watch works without reading the manual. Yes, that's me taking shortcuts, but this is what most people do. No one wants to read that huge manual over there unless they're troubleshooting. And that's the only time I go to the manual. Pretty much, I'm willing to take the time to try to figure out what you can do. So the multifunction button is when you're inside of something, and this bottom one acts as the back button. So it read me at 77, which is kind of high, but these are the activities. Yeah, so this is pretty good. Yeah, I'm liking it, man. I'm liking this. I like the interface on this one. Really nice. So I'm going to charge this one up, and I'll start the review period of this one afterwards, but I'm not going to start it just yet. I want to finish my review period for their current watch that I'm reviewing here. This one is totally awesome, and this one I think is going to be even more awesome. So these watches are not very expensive. This one right now is $80, but it's currently $59 at the recording of this video. So you just hit the link in the description to see the current pricing. Again, I just wanted to get an unboxing done, and I'm going to go back to the other watch to finish my review period with that, because I wanted to spend at least 5 to 7 days with the other watch to check that battery. And honestly, I'm still on the same charge, and I'm at 51%. 4 days. Wait, what am I? 17. 5 days later, I'm at. I think it's been 5 days. I'm still at 50%. So. Their claims of battery life are pretty tight. So yeah, no, I'm at 3 going on 4 days later. So yeah, I'm going on 4 days and I'm at 50%. So yeah, this is impressive. I'm at 51% and I got notifications turned on, everything. So I know this watch is going to be really nice. I can tell you though, of the two watches so far, I'm leaning more towards the comfort and feel of this one and the style of this one. This one just looks more me, not because it's black, because I just like that style. And this reminds me of my Apple Watch, and it feels like it too. That's not a bad thing. But nonetheless, I want to go ahead and give you the unboxing and first impressions of this watch. And the menu is, kind of a simple walkthrough. But there it is, man. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm going to go ahead and switch back to the other watch. I'm going to charge this one, power it off. And I like this one, though, man. I can't wait to start reviewing this one. But again, I wanted to give you my first impressions and unboxing. So here it is. The Umidigi smartwatches, man. The UwatchGT is actually really sweet, man. So we'll see how this plays out. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.